3. In this video, I'll show you how to download a W-2 in Gusto. First, sign in to your Gusto account and open your employee dashboard. If you're an employer, you can also access employee tax documents from your company dashboard. Next, go to the Documents or Tax Documents section, depending on your account type. Locate the W-2 form for the tax year you want to download. After that, click the W-2 form to open it. Review the information to make sure everything looks correct before downloading. Now, click Download or use the PDF option to save the W-2 to your computer or mobile device. You can also print the document if you need a physical copy for your records. Finally, store your downloaded W-2 in a secure location so you can easily access it whenever you need it for tax filing or personal records. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to download a W-2 in Gusto. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.